Hi, my name is Theodore with Automation Allies. I develop robotic process automation bots that perform a variety of computer tasks that were traditionally done by human beings. In this video, I'm going to provide you with an example of what an RPA bot can be programmed to do. Here we have an Excel file that contains a variety of data about the supplier for a hypothetical company. The two columns that we will focus on today will be the city column and the number of employees. In this automation, the bot will read this Excel file, identify the city in which the supplier is located, and the number of employees that the supplier has. The bot will then go through and categorize the data in a way that lists each of the cities in which a supplier exists, as well as the sum total of employees in that city. The final calculations will then be output into the second worksheet titled Output. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right. So as you can see, the bot has gone through and identified each of the cities in which a supplier exists and has been able to calculate the total number of employees for each city. So this was a success. Now, if this reminds you of an activity that you do on a consistent basis, and you'd like to discuss how RPA can be used to finish that activity in a fraction of the time that it would normally take you, please reach out to me. You can reach out to me via email at automationallies@gmail.com, or you can call me at 302-468-7729. Thanks again.